In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can archive games on your Nintendo Switch. This is going to work on the original Switch, the OLED, the Switch Lite, and the Switch 2. And if this guide does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, archiving removes the game from your system storage, but it'll keep your save data safe, so you're not going to lose any of your progress. You'll just need to re-download the game later if you want to play it again. But from the home menu, what you're going to want to do is go down to your system settings, all the way down in the very bottom, open it up, and scroll down to data management. From here, just go ahead and scroll over and find manage software, select it to open it up, and you're going to see a list of all of your installed games. Essentially, you just want to choose whatever game you want to archive. For example, we'll do Hogwarts Legacy, and then scroll down and you're going to see a delete software option. When you select this, you will see a message saying that save data will not be deleted. That's exactly what we want. And you can also choose to keep the icon on your home menu or remove it completely, but confirm again by hitting delete. And if you just kept the icon to re-download it, you just have to find it on your home, tap on it, it's going to re-download it for you. It'll give you a prompt first asking you if you want to. Obviously select that and your save data will still be there once it does finish installing, but that is it. It really is super simple. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.